Kia ora koutou. So this ha moment is about our hononga to our pūmanawa, our connection to our superpowers. And the whakatauki that comes to mind is poipoi a te kākano kia pōai, nurture the seed and it will bloom. We need love and care to nurture and realise our potential. So our haora, our well-being, it begins with koau. And sometimes through the noise of life and through different experiences, we've kind of misplaced our superpowers, our awesomeness. There's a bit of a disconnection with ourselves. So we'd love you to take a moment right now just to find some breath in a quiet place. Make sure you have some pen and paper with you. We just want you to close your eyes. Just close your eyes, feel your breath, and listen to what comes to you around what are your pūmanawa, your superpowers. Ask yourself that pātai. Ask yourself that question. And then as they come, write them down. Or draw them. Or grab things that remind you of what your superpowers are. And put them in a place where you're constantly reminded, that's right, that's my pūmanawa. Those are my superpowers. Those are things that I may have inherited from my tūpuna, from my ancestors, or things that I may have developed. It will give you some connection to your haora, to your well-being. It gives you some connection back to your pūmanawa, to your superpowers. So take the ha moment. Don't be shy. What are your pūmanawa? What are your superpowers?